Where is the chickaraf? Delay? What delay? No! I told you the animal must be here in Meepville by Snerz Day. Today is Vings Day. Vings Day, Bongs Day, Bangs Day, Wings Day, Longs Day, Snerz Day. Yes, I know I have a lot of other animals. I have the most impressive collection of rare and exotic creatures in the entire northeastern quadrisphere. Thank you very much. But compared to a chickaraf, these guys are all just a bunch of losers. Yes, you are. So, by sunrise on Snerz Day, there's going to be a new head on the wall. Either the chickaraf's or yours. Can you dig it?
I'm administering a sedative!